There's Daddy and Connor. Look at that sweet little face. Will not go to bed. Right, Connor? You gonna go to bed, boo? Connor. 2 weeks old. 2 weeks and 2 days. What do you think, Daddy? Connor's a good little boy?
Turn the camera off.
Cranky, just like his son.
Worse.